Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, today we are going to see subject English, lesson 10, Little Benjamin, and its session 36. Okay children, the last Zoom class we learned the poem 7 workbook, isn't it? I hope you all have completed it. Okay children, we will see the story of Little Benjamin. Okay children, lesson 10, Little Benjamin. Okay, this extract from a story by the 19th century American writer Lara E. Richards. He tells the cheering tale of the Golden family who find the baby on their doorstep one night. It doesn't take long for his loving family to welcome the baby into their home and their hearts. Okay children, we are going to see about the little child only. Okay, now we'll come to the story. I think the kitty wants to come in. Kitty means their cat. Okay children, so Mother Golden is telling. So I hear him crying somewhere. Won't you go and let him in, Adam? So what mother is telling, kitty is crying outside, so go and open the door so that let the cat come in. So she's telling to her son named Adam. Okay children, so Adam laid down his book and he went out. The whole family looked up cheerfully, expecting to see Aladdin, their pet cat. Pet cat name is what children? Aladdin. Okay children, Aladdin is their pet cat. Everyone is very eager to see the pet cat. There was a pause and then Adam came back with a white scared face. But what happened when Adam opened the door? He was shocked. He was shocked and he came back with a white scared face. With a scared face he came inside and he looked at his father without speaking because he got very scared, so he couldn't talk. What is the matter, my son? Asked Father Golden. Okay children, this is the Golden family. So only they are keeping Father Golden and Mother Golden like that. Okay children. Okay, the cat isn't there, said Adam. It is a basket, father. A basket? So what the father is telling? What does the boy mean? He is very confused. What basket is lying there? So what they did? A long basket with something white inside and it's crying. So Adam is telling, yes daddy, was a white, was a big basket inside. It's there inside and it's crying. Something is inside, white color like that he is telling. So father is telling, oh my God, said Mother Golden. So mother is very excitedly she is asking, oh my God, like that, and she was out of the door in a flash. So she ran to that door. See there now, said Father Golden. Go and help her, some of you. So his father is telling, go to mother and help her. So the children ran towards the door but were met by Mother Golden. Returning, in her arms was a long basket in which was indeed something white and fluffy that cried. So mother took that long basket in her hand and inside what it was white and fluffy that cried. So then only they came to know a baby. So father is telling, a baby? Like that father is asking. Mother Golden lifted the child out. The baby stopped crying and looked up at her face. So what Mother Golden did children? She took the child from the basket and she kept in her hand. As soon as the Mother Golden took the baby stopped crying. The baby stopped crying. My heart means here what children? Oh my God. My heart means what children? Oh my God, said Mother Golden again. Come here girls, she was calling her daughters. The girls bent forward eagerly. Look at its little hands, murmured Mary. So the father and Mother Golden, they had 5 children. 3 boys and 2 daughters. 3 boys and 2 daughters. Okay, one boy name is what? Joseph, Adam, Lemuel, 3 sons, and Mary and Ruth, daughter name. Okay children, now the Mary is telling, look at his little hands, murmured Mary. They are little like pink shells. only soft. See here, the baby born means it will be like rose pink color only, isn't it, children? The hands and the legs will be very soft. The skin will be very soft. Oh, see it move them, Ruth. So the baby is shaking the hands. Okay, children. She caught her sister's arm in a sudden movement of delight. She was scared and she caught hold of the sister's hand. Oh mother, may we keep it? Cried both the girls at once. So the girls, both of them, Mary and Ruth, are telling, Mummy, shall we keep the baby with us? Like that daughters are asking. Mother Golden was examining the baby's clothes. So she was seeing the baby's clothes. Here's a note. Note means what? Some of them left the baby in front of their house with a written letter. They wrote some. So they wrote, she opened the folded paper and saw a few words written in a rough hand means what, children? Hurried handwriting. Rough hand means what? Hurried handwriting. His mother is dead. His father is a waster. Waster means what? Good for nothing. Good for nothing. Okay, children? So she read aloud. It's a boy then, said father. So the baby is a boy baby. Father Golden, he came forward to have a look. So father is coming to have a look. The question is, said Father Golden, what shall we do with him? There are places like orphanages around. We have already got 5 children to take care of. So Father Golden is telling, already we are having 5 children. So it's very hard to keep this baby boy. So what can we do? We can leave the baby to the orphanage. Like that Father Golden is telling. But what the children are telling, daughters are telling, oh, we could help, cried Mary. So Mary is telling, I will wash the clothes and dress him. I know I could and I will just love him. So Mary is telling, I will take care of the baby. I will wash the clothes. I will dress him. Like that Mary is telling. So could I, said 12-year-old Ruth. So Ruth also telling, yes, I will also take care and we will take turns. Means one day Mary is taking means another day I will take care. Like that they are telling. Mary and I let's keep him, mother. Like that they are asking mother, we will keep him. So in 5 minutes, Mother Golden was feeding the child some warm milk with a spoon. The boys were now close at her knee and watched the process with eager eyes. Eager eyes means what? Watched the process with eager eyes means what, children? Looked eagerly at what was happening. So mother gave the child some warm milk, isn't it? So see him grab the spoon. So said Joseph. Joseph is telling, see how he is grabbing the spoon. Isn't he strong? Can he talk, mother? Like that Joseph is, can he talk, mother? So Joseph, you chucklehead. So Joseph is telling, will he talk? Will the baby talk, children? No, it's very small, isn't it? They won't talk, isn't it? So brother is telling, Adam is telling, hey Joseph, you chucklehead. Chucklehead means what? Stupid person. Chucklehead means what? Stupid person. Joseph, you stupid, said Adam, who was 16 and knew most things. How can he talk when he hasn't got any teeth? Yes, without teeth the children will not talk, isn't it, children? Baby has got a tooth too. Adam, Mother Golden said, I feel it pricking through the gums this minute. So mother is telling, the child is having a teeth, but it's very small. Now only it's coming out of the gum. I was thinking, Mother Golden said eagerly, it would be best to keep him through his teething and stomach troubles and give him a good start in the way of proper food and nursing. So mother also was very eager to keep the child with them by giving good food and nursing. Okay, children? Children, what do you say? Mother is asking. So father is asking, children, what do you say? You have old enough to have, you say, even the youngest of you. So what their father is telling, he is asking permission from the 5 children. So, oh, keep him, shouted the 3 younger children. So the younger children, 3 of them are shouting, we can keep him. Adam and Lemuel exchanged a glance. They were looking by the side. Each other. I guess he would better stay. Father said Adam. So Adam also telling. I think so too, said Lemuel. And both gave something like a sigh of relief. So they got a relief and all got very happy because they are going to have the baby with them. Then that's settled, said Father Golden. Supposing that no objection turns up, next thing is what shall we call this child? So father is asking, if we all have no objection, what can we do? Next we can keep a name. How can we call this child? Like that he is asking. All eyes were fixed on the baby, who now sat on mother's golden knee. Can you see here, children? See mother, near the mother's lap only, that this is the baby. This is the baby. So it was a pretty picture. What it means, it has a rosy dimpled creature, rosy lips, rosy cheeks it had. Yellow floss means what? Means yellow hair, golden hair, ruffled all over his head. His sweet little mouth opened in a beaming smile. The baby had a beaming smile, smiling back at him. Mother Golden's calm face in its frame of silver hair, and Mother Golden in his big leather chair. So mother is sitting in the father is sitting in the big leather chair, and mother is holding the baby in her hand. The 5 children with their sober faces. Sober faces means what, children? Serious faces. Serious faces lit up with unusual excitement. A pleasant family picture. But now all the light in the room seemed to center on the baby's yellow flossy curls. So children, see, all are having a group photo like this. Can you see, children, here? See, here, see, like a group photo. They want to take a photo. See, the 3 boys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 children, and the baby is in mother's hand. This is Father Golden and Mother Golden. Okay, children, like this, they were all very happy to keep the baby. So the baby is telling Agu. You can see, isn't it? If you have a small baby in your home, you can see the child calling like this, doing Agu like that, isn't it? Said the baby in a gurgle. He says his name's Goo, like that. Who is telling? Again Joseph is telling. So Joseph is telling, the baby is telling his name is Goo, like that. So again what? Adam is scolding, hey, don't be chucklehead. Again what Joseph is telling, you chucklehead, like that. We would better give the child suitable name, mother, like that Adam is telling. Oh, call him Arthur, Bill, Reginald, cried the children together. So they are calling each name they are telling. What are the names they are telling? Arthur, Bill, Reginald, like that they are calling. But what Mother Golden is telling, I do love a Bible name. So mother is telling, I do love a Bible name, because for her children, 5 of them, what are the names she kept? Joseph, Lemuel, Adam, Mary, Ruth, all Bible names. So all our own children have Bible names. Let us not cut the little stranger off from this privilege. Privilege means what? Advantage. Privilege means what? Advantage. Okay, children. So Lemuel dear, you were named after a king. Lemuel was a king name. Said Mother Golden. He was a good boy to his mother. So are you. Bring the Bible and let us see what is opens at Joseph. You are the youngest, you shall open it. So Joseph is the youngest boy. So mother is telling Lemuel to bring the Bible and told Joseph to open the Bible. So Joseph opened the great brown leather Bible and closing his eyes, laid his hand on the page. Then looking down, he read. So what he did, he opened the page. And what he did, there is little Benjamin. There is little Benjamin. See, when Joseph opened the Bible, what are the names they found? Benjamin, their ruler, and the princes of Judah, their council, the princes of Zebulun. So these are the names, and the princes of Naphtali. So what are the names they saw, children? Benjamin, Judah, Zebulun, and Naphtali. So Mother Golden is telling Zebulun and Naphtali are difficult names. They both are difficult names. So we call him Benjamin. So Benjamin is very easy. So Benjamin shall be this child's name. So they are telling little Benjamin. The Lord bless and keep him. The Lord bless and keep him. Children, what we learn, see children, they were a happy family, isn't it children? Little Benjamin. So only they kept the title Little Benjamin. It's a story only. Even though they had 5 children, what they did? They didn't leave the baby to the orphanage. What they did? They took care of the baby, and now they lived a happy. Now they are having happy family. Now how many children are there, children? How many children they are having? 6 children now. How many children they are having? 6 children. They loved the baby. Everyone loved the baby. Okay children, what you have to do? What you have to read the lesson, children. If you read the lesson only, you can have the reading habit. Daily I am telling you will have the reading habit. So children, you have to read the lesson. When I have time, what I will do, I will make you to read in the Zoom class. Okay children, we'll meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.